News.
A majority of young adults say they disapprove of Obamacare. That's according to a poll by Harvard University's Institute of Politics. The health care reform law requires every American to have health insurance, and that's where it hits a snag. If you don't go through a private company, it can get very costly. Local 15's Taryn Reed has more in tonight's Say What.
Do you know anything about healthcare reform or anything that's going on?
Honestly, no.
No.
That was the consensus when I talked with students at the University of South Alabama. I had a list of questions, all surrounding healthcare reform and the fact that every American is required to have health insurance.
What do you think about the Affordable Care Act?
I feel like I guess it's unfair because if you can't afford regular health insurance, then you have to be under that, and they'll put you in debt later on.
From what I've heard about like Obamacare so far, I do not necessarily agree with it.
How much do you know about the Affordable Care Act?
Not as much as I probably should, but in my opinion, Obamacare has hurt more people than it's helped.
And that's a problem, because in order to keep premiums down for those who are forced to sign up via healthcare.gov, healthier folks need to take part, and young people tend to need less medical care. Right now, the law allows those 26 and younger to stay on their parents' plans, and that was the case for every student I talked with on campus.
Who do you have coverage with?
Blue Cross Blue Shield.
And is it through your parents or do you pay for it yourself?
Through my parents.
I'm on my dad's insurance still.
As far as their health and financial future,
I hope that whatever hospital I'm working with will help me, but I guess I'll wait and see.
Are you excited or unsure how the government will affect your future?
I'm unsure.
Taryn Reed, Local 15 News.
Well, President Obama is calling for an immediate overhaul